welcome to Home Building Automation System. This is going to be a quick video. We are troubleshooting the units, that is Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius, on one of the TRANE UC400 units. So let's get started how we can connect to the TRANE system and how we can change the units. Here we are using a tracer backnet setup tool to connect, which is good. Okay, I want to take a backup file. Okay, that's fine. So I'm just changing the controller unit. So I will go and so everything in watt, coulomb, psi, cfm, gpm, perfect. So I'm gonna send this to device. Did the unit shut down?
Still running so far.
Okay, perfect. Let's see what happens to AI 90 now. We can
Compass is disconnected at this point.
Oh yes, that's right. Yep. So we don't have compass, but that's fine. So it's all converted, perfect. And BS control section, let's see if we can see something here. Can we see live value? No. That's and protocol 4076 is the baud rate and the software ID. So I can change this. So I can change this to a good number because 125 is like a random number. I can change this to maybe 200. Okay, that's all, Mike. So if you go back and connect, we can validate the controller backnet points and make sure it's good. So let's see if we are able to see all the points properly. Yeah, it's in Fahrenheit.
Well, can you shut it off or lower the fan speed?
Still loading. Okay, so currently it is occupied. Okay, I'll put it. Okay, let me see. Multi-state input, although that's an input. Okay. Okay. I'm releasing the override, just a second. Okay, so it should go in unoccupied now.
Yeah, maybe. Yep, fans are going off.
Yep. So that's MO, multi-state output MO7.
Okay.
Okay, so that needs to be put into schedule, and then once that is in schedule, so you are good. Yeah.